Hey there, Earthlings! Today, we're delving into a topic that affects a significant number of individuals: the fear of flying. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who has never set foot on an airplane, understanding and addressing this fear is crucial for a stress-free travel experience. So, let's explore the psychological background of the fear of flying and discuss 10 effective strategies to handle and overcome it. Firstly, it's important to recognize that the fear of flying, also known as aviophobia, is a common anxiety disorder. This fear can stem from various sources, including a fear of heights, claustrophobia, or a lack of control. Additionally, past negative experiences, media influence, and a fear of the unknown can contribute to this apprehension. Understanding the root causes can be the first step towards overcoming this fear. Here are some useful tips and tricks which might help you overcome your aviophobia. 1. Education and familiarization. Understanding the mechanics of flight, safety protocols, and statistics on flight safety can be empowering. Consider visiting aviation museums, attending airport tours, or enrolling in aviation education programs. Familiarizing yourself with the various stages of a flight, from boarding to landing, can help demystify the process and reduce anxiety. Knowledge provides a sense of control, making the flying experience more predictable and less daunting. 2. Gradual exposure. Gradual exposure is a systematic way to desensitize yourself to the fear of flying. Start with small steps, such as watching videos of takeoffs and landings, before progressing to short flights or simulated experiences. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the duration and distance of your flights. This incremental approach allows your mind to adjust to the flying environment, building confidence at a manageable pace. 3. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Incorporating mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your pre-flight routine can significantly reduce anxiety. Practices such as deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation help calm the nervous system. Deep, intentional breaths can regulate your heartbeat, while mindfulness techniques focus your attention away from fear-inducing thoughts. There are numerous apps and online resources that guide users through these exercises, making them easily accessible for anyone looking to manage pre-flight anxiety. 4. Professional help. Seeking support from a mental health professional, such as a therapist or counselor specializing in anxiety disorders, can be a transformative step. Cognitive behavioral therapy is particularly effective for addressing specific fears and altering negative thought patterns. A trained therapist can help you explore the root causes of your fear of flying and provide personalized strategies to overcome it. Sometimes, having an objective and supportive professional to guide you through the process can make a significant difference. 5. Support networks. Sharing your fears with friends, family, or support groups can be therapeutic. Vocalizing your anxieties helps release pent-up emotions and can lead to valuable insights. Support networks provide emotional reassurance and practical advice. Joining online forums or local support groups allows you to connect with individuals who have faced similar fears, sharing experiences and coping mechanisms. Knowing you're not alone in your struggle can be incredibly comforting. 6. Desensitization through virtual reality. Virtual reality programs offer a controlled and safe environment for exposure therapy. These simulations replicate the flying experience, allowing individuals to gradually confront their fears. Virtual reality can be particularly beneficial for those who may find it challenging to engage in real-life exposure exercises. VR programs are designed to provide a sense of presence, helping individuals navigate and overcome specific fears associated with flying in a supportive and controlled setting. 7. Visualization techniques. Utilize the power of visualization to mentally prepare for the flight. Close your eyes and vividly imagine a positive flying experience, from arriving at the airport to a smooth landing at your destination. Engage all your senses. Imagine the sights, sounds, and even the positive emotions associated with a successful flight. This technique helps rewire your brain to associate flying with positive outcomes, reducing anxiety and building confidence over time. 8. Distraction strategies. Employ distraction techniques during the flight to redirect your focus away from fear-inducing thoughts. Create a personalized in-flight entertainment plan, such as watching movies, listening to music, reading a captivating book, or solving puzzles. The key is to keep your mind engaged and occupied with enjoyable activities. Noise-canceling headphones can also help minimize anxiety-inducing sounds, making the flight experience more comfortable and less overwhelming. 9. Empowerment through flight training. Consider participating in basic flight training or workshops designed for individuals with a fear of flying. Some airlines and aviation organizations offer programs that allow participants to experience flight in a controlled and educational setting. Learning the basics of aviation, understanding pilot procedures, and even sitting in a flight simulator with guidance can demystify the flying process. By gaining insights into the technical aspects of flying, you may develop a greater sense of control and confidence. 10. Gratitude journaling. Cultivate a positive mindset by keeping a gratitude journal specific to your flying experiences. Before and after each flight, jot down aspects of the journey that you appreciate or enjoy. This could include the friendly cabin crew, the view from the window, or the excitement of reaching a new destination. Focusing on positive aspects and expressing gratitude helps shift your attention away from fear-based thoughts, fostering a more optimistic and calming perspective on flying. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.